The DeepSeek R1 AI model has been released from China. The Chinese model is just as capable as the best American models, but it is free, open source, more efficient, and the most surprising part is that its development cost is less than 3% of ChatGPT 01's cost. Here are the cost comparisons on the screen. Here are the benchmark comparisons with DeepSeek and other models. And here is the quality versus cost comparison with DeepSeek and other models. Here is the benchmark comparison of Qwen 2.5 Max with other models. And here is the quality versus cost comparison of Qwen 2.5 Max with other models. Now, after looking at these costs and benchmarks, you can clearly see how much cheaper it is. And if you run it locally on your machine, the only expenses are your PC and electricity. All of this changed with the release of DeepSeek R1 on January 20th, 2025. It is free, and its performance is on par with OpenAI's models. This performance applies to language reasoning, math, and coding tasks. This free model even outperforms Google's Gemini and Meta AI. However, many people don't know that DeepSeek works differently compared to other modern AI models. This is the reason it is so efficient, but we will cover these details later. Here's a quick demo where we will run it locally, without the internet. First, we will go to bing.com or google.com. Search for Ollama there. Then, click on the ollama.com website link. It will look something like this. Now, download it for macOS, Linux, or Windows, whichever you use, and install it. After that, go back to ollama.com and type DeepSeek R1 in the search. Then, select the model with the number of billion parameters you want from the dropdown, and you will see its command on the side. I am selecting the 1.5 billion model because it will be faster and consume fewer system resources. So copy the command. On Windows, I am using the terminal. I will paste it there and press enter. After downloading, it will install the model. Once installed, I can type questions in the command line, just like ChatGPT, and it will give me answers. Remember, this will use local RAM, CPU, and GPU, so keep in mind that higher parameter models will require more resources. Now, if you don't want to use the command line, we can go to chatboxi.app, download ChatBox AI, and after installing and running it, go to Settings, select Ollama API and DeepSeek R1, and we're ready to use it online or offline. The ChatBox AI experience will be similar to ChatGPT's UI.
That subscribe button and join the AI Advisor community today. Let us know in the comments what you're most excited to learn about, and don't forget to like and share this video with others who might find it useful. Let's explore the world of AI together. Show some love and support. Bye bye. See you. Until next time.